We now start section 1.2 in Rosen Discrete Mathematics and its applications, and this is applications of propositional logic. These are some of the topics in this section. We will not be discussing AI diagnosis method. It's optional. And we start with translating English sentences. One of the applications of propositional logic is representing sentences, declarative sentences, as in a symbolic fashion using propositional variables and connectors. So whenever we want to do this, we have to read the sentence and look for atomic propositions embedded. And then we would assign variables to those propositions. And then we would also look for a connective language using the description of these connectors so that we could try to link them together. For example, if I have the sentence, if I go to Harry's or to the country, I will not go shopping. And we can see that one atomic proposition might be I go to Harry's, the other one might be I go to the country, and the third would be I will go shopping. I think I'll fill out. Call those P, Q, and R. And let's look for connective language. If suggests there's an implication in there somewhere. We have an or. And also we have a not, so a disjunction and the negation. And so I can rewrite the sentence with the atomic propositions first. If P or Q, then not R. And then I can state it symbolically as P or Q implies the negation of R. And actually, we wouldn't need the parentheses because of the order of operations. Okay, let's look at another one. You can access the internet from campus only if you are a computer science major or you are not a freshman. So atomic proposition would be you can access the internet from campus and you are a computer science major and you are a freshman. Connective language would be only if. So if we see only if, it's the right-hand side of the only if would be the consequence. The left-hand side would be the hypothesis. We also see or and not. So we'll let A, C, and F represent those atomic propositions, and then we can construct them together. A implies C or the negation of F. Often an application of this would be system specifications, and later we'll see system consistency. So if we want to express a specification symbolically, should be a declarative sentence. Here we have the automated reply cannot be sent when the file system is full. So if file system is full would be an atomic proposition, and automated reply can be sent would be the other one. When is indicates there'll be an implication statement, and then everything to the right of the when would be the hypothesis, and the left of the when would be the consequence. We have not as well. So we've got two atomic propositions as stated, and then we can connect them as Q implies the negation of P.